Hello friends, my name is Azad Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic business requirement analysis. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management and implementation of business. So today we'll see this topic in detail. So first of all, I will request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. Business requirement analysis. What is business requirement analysis? Friend, business requirement analysis means it is a process in which we understand the requirements of customer, what exactly he wants, what what are the desired outcome which he wants from the implementation. So that is the process in which the expectations and requirements of the users and the stakeholder for project or task are defined. The analysis of a business needs is comprehensive statement of what the outcome of a project or task should be. Okay, so after the business requirement analysis, we make a document, normally Word document, in which we document all the requirement of a customer properly so that everyone can understand that what are the desired output and result of the requirement. So that is called as business requirement analysis. My friend, what is business requirement? Business requirement, known as a stakeholder requirement specification or SRS, describe the requirement for a proposed project or system from the perspective of the stakeholder. Normally these requirements can be for product, software, hardware, any process. So that is called as the concept of business requirement. The example of business requirements, for example, how many operational resources needed for any particular implementation of process, performance parameters, effectiveness. For example, you want that you want to implement a software solution which should be effective. Lifespan, environmental factors, architectural, structural, performance requirements, design requirements. So these are the high level example of business requirements which normally needs. Uh, there are two types of requirement, functional and non-functional. So what is the difference between functional and non-functional requirement, friend? Functional requirements generally, friend, are those requirements which are from user side or customer side. For example, you are implementing e-commerce solution as a customer and you want that the customer can do the payment through credit card, for example. So this is a functional requirement. So functional requirements includes calculation, technical detail, processing and other specific functionalities. However, the non-functional requirements, which means that are not basically from customer side, these are the system normally requirements. For example, you want that customer that if for example you are making a web application and you want that your web application should be secure. Okay, so this is the non-functional requirement. So non-functional requirements normally pertaining to like quality, system sustainability, security. Okay, so these are the non-functional requirement. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.